Sometimes I talk in the mornings when I think you're there. I speak your name, I can smell your hair. Then reality wakes me. Yeah. Sometimes I wait for you, listening to every car that is passing by with a racing heart, and it's driving me crazy. Why can't I break the spell that you laid on my head in this house? It's never gonna let me go. Wow. 'Cause I'm awake when I gotta sleep, and when I ache I forget to breathe, and when I fail, when I try to heal, I speak, I shatter, because I lie when I tell the truth, and no one ever comes back to you. And when you left me, I think you knew I can't get better. I live, I shatter, speak, I shatter, cry, I shatter, I shatter. I take it easy, I've never been a fan of rest. I check it out and I go for it if I'm sure to land safely.